So hello guys and welcome to megabytes.com.ph dito sa aming YouTube channel. And today, nandito kami ngayon sa Anya Resort in Tagaytay for a special event from Oppo Philippines. Okay? So today they will be launching a new device. They are pretty excited for this new model. So they are going to launch the new Oppo Reno 13 series. Okay? So they have three new models: the Oppo Reno 13F 5G, the Oppo Reno 13 5G, and the Oppo Reno 13 Pro 5G. Siyempre dahil nandito kami, we had the opportunity to test isang phone nila. So Oppo Philippines was able to lend us for a review unit ng isang model nila. So ito siya. So for our model, they gave us the Oppo Reno 13 5G. Okay? So in terms of colorways, ano ba meron dito sa color sales? So apat ang meron nilang bago, But depending sa model nila, yun lang yung specific color na meron sila. But they already have 4 new colorways. So una yung plume white, plume purple, graphite black, and a luminous blue. So for our review unit, so meron tayong plume white. Okay? So a few details then for this model natin, and review, we have 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes. So sa storage pa lang, sobrang okay na siya agad kasi malaki na, So para sa mga photos nyo, videos, and other documents and stuffs. Okay? So for now, we'll unbox the Oppo Reno 13 5G para malaman natin kung ano yung mga laman. Okay? So once we remove the top cover, so the top cover, so we already have this unang carton box nila, which usually may mga accessories na agad, So yan. Okay. So tingnan natin to kung ano yung meron tong carton box na sa loob. So inside you'll have may documents na agad. Yan. So for this we have the safety guide. Next is a quick guide. And on this, merong the usual clear protective case. So, ang kagandahan naman nito, nakita nyo, so may design siya. So, hindi siya yung regular na parang see-through lang na parang protective case. So, it will look nice on the new Oppo Reno 13 5G. So, next, on the box, so you already see yung phone. Taking out this phone, so there's another parang board, So take it off. You have the other included accessories, The first thing you notice then, yung SIM ejector tool niya is meron na siyang sariling lugar dun sa loob, Ito yung SIM ejector tool, You have a USB-A to USB-C cable. And last is yung charger. Yung charger niya. Now for the phone, ito siya, So just take this out. Yan. So unang-unang mapapansin mo at siguro ma-appreciate natin yung bagong back panel design nila, So in which Oppo is calling it the butterfly shadow effect, Bakit butterfly shadow effect? So syempre napansin niyo yung depende sa tama ng ilaw, So makikita niyo parang butterfly wings niya. So in terms of yung isang key features niya, ito yon. So yung bagong back panel design nila. Still on the back, so you will see yung camera. Ito yung camera module niya, yung design. So for the Oppo Reno 13 5G, you have a 50 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, then a 2 megapixel monochrome camera. Now for your selfie camera, so selfies nyo, you have a 50 megapixel. I'll just let you show yung display, So pero unang-unang napansin ko dito is sobrang nipis ng bezels niya all around. Yan siya. And already vibrant siya, and yung text niya super sharp and crisp, So whatever video content you play on this phone, definitely maganda. Okay? And so what are the other new key features nitong phone na to? So una, they have an IP69 rating. Itong phone is already IP69 rating. So because of the IP69 rating, the phone and yung camera mismo use already an underwater mode. Ibig sabihin pwede kang mag-shoot underwater, Sa mga pool, ganon. with a depth of up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. Okay? So you can now shoot with this phone underwater, no? But again, Oppo is also giving us notes na if you shoot underwater, it should be fresh water, no? So in a pool, siguro yung mga waterfalls daw, yun okay lang siya. Okay? So next, you also have this AI capabilities on this phone, no? So you have the AI live photo, an AI editor, para i-enhance yung photos nyo. Medyo meron pa silang AI blur, no? And AI clarity. Then another features ng phone nito is you can now seamlessly share your photos, documents on this phone, no? Itong Reno 13 5G to an iPhone. Okay, yun yung isang pinakamaganda. Medyo natuwa kami, no? So we all know naman na kapag Android, it's very difficult to share to an iOS, no, ng device or mga iPhone. But now, with the new Oppo Reno 13 series, so pwede ka nang mag-share.
The Oppo Reno 13 5G is priced at 34,999 and is now available at all Oppo stores, authorized retail partners, and online platforms such as Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok. For more information about the Oppo Reno 13 series 5G, visit the Oppo website.